Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Namaskar, I am Omkar Potar, studying in second year electrical diploma, and we are discussing about the ultrasonic. The ultrasonic distance measurement system. Some basic questions. What is ultrasonic? Second, its existence. Third, is it really possible to use it for a distance measurement? Let's discuss. Discussion. Introduction. Ultrasonic is application of ultrasound. Now, what are the ultrasound? Ultrasound is an oscillating sound pressure wave with a frequency greater than the upper limit of the human hearing range. Ultrasonic is such not separated from normal audible sound based on difference in physical properties. Only the fact that humans cannot hear it. Some basic properties. The term sonic is applied to ultrasound sound waves of very high amplitudes. Ultrasound devices operated with frequencies from 20 kHz up to several gigahertz. The molecule of a material in which the waves are traveling cannot pass the vibration along rapidly along. Ultrasonic has a distance sensor. Ultrasonic sensors work on a principle similar to radar and sonar, which evaluate attributes of a larger by interpreting the icons from radio or sound waves respectively. Ultrasonic sensors generate high frequency sound waves and evaluate the echo which is received by the sensor. The sound field of non-focusing 4 MHz ultrasonic transducer, which is transducer surface having a spherical curvature. Ultrasonic transducer. An ultrasonic transducer is a device that converts energy into the ultrasound or sound waves which the normal range of human hearing. The ultrasonic sound transducers are used only for the measurement of flow rates of fluids, the level of light, liquid, displacement of the objects, etc. The piezoelectricity crystal, an important electronic transducer element. Piezoelectric crystal is one of the most commonly used elements in the ultrasonic transducer. It can be used as both transmitting as well as the receiving device. In the transducer, it is included within the caching so that it can work efficiently and securely. The piezoelectric crystals can work in the frequencies ranging from 20 kHz to 15 MHz. The voltage passed through these devices generates the ultrasonic waves. So at a glance, the ultrasonic waves are waves with a frequency greater than the upper limit of the human hearing, that greater than 20 kHz. Ultrasonic waves send into a body which are reflected at interfaces, and return time of the waves tells us of the de- de- deep distance of the reflecting surface. The time taken for the pulse to the propagate from transmitter to the receiver is proportional to the distance of object. Block diagram for a ultrasonic based on distance measurement system. 10 milliseconds is the time taken for the ultrasound to the travel maximum distance of 4 meters. The time of flights gives twice the time taken to the traverse a unit distance. This system of distance measurement does not require large amount of memory. Hence, a 20-pin 8051 base microcontroller 1889 CT is chosen as a controller which 20 MHz clock. Third, it performs the operation of giving the switching signal, computing the distance, converting the hex value to the decimal and then to the ACL to be displayed in the LCD. Conclusion: the microcontroller with the LCD makes it a user friendly. Second, the circuit can easily be implemented on the breadboard and tested for its functionality by varying the distance between the transducer and target. Third, the target surface needs to the perpendicular to the impending ultrasound waves. Fourth, the power level of the signal is too low for a long range measurement. Fifth, less hardware are used, so smaller in size. Sixth, inexplicably components used so that reduce the cost per unit.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.